the hero, running completely undead. Keep away from the voices, screams under your bed. He's trying to kill you, stop wishing him dead. You're going crazy, yeah, you're going crazy.
I aim for the vein, lead to a lack of a heartbeat. Oh well, best killers can't be choosy. Needed to receive attention for my bravery. Wanted to be left alone in darkness, excuse me. Been lost in my brains, need them too. And I've been flanking it both ways. Flames made me go boom, cause you got located when it blew sea. And it was amusing, cause all I wanted to do was be Herobrine, the dead beast, and proved it. Use it as a tool when it's flash speed. Hit the artery, T-key. With what I shrunk back was not a mean feat. It was like kicking a bruised king. Demonic, cause I'm thinking I'm getting so evil I don't think you're beginning to lose sleep. One dead, two dead, seeing Grossman and Speedy's like crazy crap. But we're scarier than you think. Cause
Not
I'm
afraid of the hero, runs completely undead. Keep away from the voices, screams under your bed. We're trying to kill you, stop wishing us dead. We're going crazy, yeah, we're going crazy. Well, then I think, whoa-oh, 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 whoa-oh. Well, then I think,
now he's never one to blow it, but I know somebody once told me to seize the moment and don't blunder it. Cause you never know when they all could be dead the source, so I keep pillaging. Sometimes I wonder where these mobs spawn from.
Yeah, tree shit, do you wonder? So wonder you're losing your army the way you squander.
I think he went wandering off a ravine and stumbled on Herobrine, inventor of mean. Think I need an interdimension is to teleport between me and this monster and save him from myself and all this bloodshed. Cause of everything and you hate them killing you, but you can't master it. My skeletally bones bunking you in the head, keep blocking, defend my throne, I'm battle talking. I'm just replaying what the dark in my head's saying. Don't shoot the messenger, I'm not afraid of them.
the hero, runs completely undead. Keep away from the voices, screams under your bed. We're trying to kill you, stop wishing us dead. We're going crazy, yeah, we're going crazy. Well, then I think, whoa-oh, 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 whoa-oh. Well, then I think,
They call us crazy, but there's division. But one day I'll walk amongst them, cause I'm an irregular villain. But until then, mobs get killed and I'm respawning straight from MC. Bloods get spilled now. Better face that his way back. Let him ride in a haystack. Train every kid who was born with that. Pumped up feeling and shoot a slam hack. To the kids who saw me and him, I ain't here to save the freaking village. But if one king out of 100 pillage, they're going through a struggle, feels it and relates it straight back. It's payback. Herobrine falling way back in the shaft. Turn nothing into something, still can make that stone into gold jump. I will spin arrows deep inside a folks back. Maybe they need an axe to hack and face facts. I'm evil for real, but I'm okay with that. Then again, you're now afraid of the
Herobrine is completely undead. Keep away from the voices, screams under your bed. We're trying to kill you, stop wishing us dead. We're going crazy, yeah, we're going crazy. Not afraid of the Herobrine is completely undead.
Keep away from the
voices, screams under your bed. We're trying to kill you, stop wishing us dead.
And we're going
crazy, yeah, we're going crazy. Well, then I think, whoa-oh, 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 well, then I think, whoa-oh, 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 whoa-oh.